Since Valentine's Day is coming up, I want you guys to help me pick which outfit to wear. Alright, so this is outfit 1. I'm thinking of a more casual look. However, I'll show you outfit 2 as well and let me know what you think. And this, my friends, is outfit number 2. So I personally like this one better because it looks more sleek, more formal, and I think more fitting for a Valentine's Day dinner. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead with this one. What do you guys think? Can't forget the rose, and also can't forget to take my Eugica cough syrup as well, which is equally as important as the rose. Don't ruin your Valentine's date with a cough.